I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a Trigger Coblox form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the Coblox form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the Coblox form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integrations site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select PropaVoice CRM. Give a name. Now click on Connect. Click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to PropaVoice CRM dashboard. Now click on Lead module. You can see record created in Lead module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.